If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions on indefinite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, then let's try to solve these three questions. Okay, in question number what is asked, integration of dx by cos x minus sin x is equal to. Okay, now how to make it in a single term, trigonometric term. So we have already used in trigonometry, I think. So if you take one root 2 or give this side a root 2, then it will be 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x. Why root 2? Because sin 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then we can apply this one, cos a cos b sin a sin b. So it will be 1 by root 2 you can take outside and it is cos pi by 4, and then you can apply sin a cos b cos a sin b whatever. But if you see your formula, it is log 10 or something of log 10, you will see answer. So sec x integration is x will come if you take cos. So it will be better if you write cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. One could have done sin a cos b cos a sin a minus cos b. Then sin will come and inverse sin will come cosec. And cosec integration is not log 10. So because it is log 10, so it's better you go to sec. So sec means cos. So you go to cos. So that's why I'm writing cos x cos pi by 4 cos x and then sin pi by 4 sin x. One could have easily write it sin pi by 4 cos x and then cos pi by 4 sin x. It will be sin a cos b then cos a sin b. But why I am doing so? Because I am seeing the options, that's why I am doing in this way. So here you have to be careful because integration there will be lots of answers. So you have to check which one is the option, then you go in that way. So it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is cos a plus b pi by 4 plus x. So it will be 1 by root 2 dx sec x plus pi by 4 dx. So what is this one? Sec x is log 10x plus sec x, so or log sec x plus 10x. Now you can also write it, I think you know this formula, sec x plus 10x. We can also do it. Let me do it in this way. What we can write, sec x plus 10x. Sec x plus 10x is 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. This one I think we have done in trigonometry. It is 1 plus sin x by cos x. And then it is standard formula. You can write it sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2. It is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So it becomes sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, the numerator, and the denominator is cos x by 2 minus sin x, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Ultimately if you open it, plus a plus b minus b get cancelled out and it becomes cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Again if you divide it by cos x by 2, it becomes 1 minus sin x by 2 by 1 plus is gone, 1 plus is there. Okay, and it is 1 minus, sorry, if you divide by cos then it is 10 and minus 10 x by 2, and instead of 1 you can write 10 pi by 4, 10 pi by 4 plus 1, 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into the 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b, 10a plus b. So it becomes of this fashion. So you remember this one. So instead of sec x plus 10, one can write sec 10 pi by 4 plus x. So we can use that one here. So plus c. So 1 by root 2 log. In place of 10 plus x, we can use 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2. So pi by 4 plus x is by this one. So it is by 2. By 2 is pi by 8. So the answer will be this one. That is your option D. Now if you come to question number 2, if this is of this format, then the value of this. Now I think we have done this one in basic level also. My intention is, if I can open this denominator but I cannot split with respect to denominator. My idea is, I wish if this could have been there in the numerator, then I can open the numerator and I can split the numerator. So what I will do to bring it to the numerator, I can take x minus a is a t. So then it will move to numerator. And that will be easy also, because if you split it, there will be 2-3 parts will be there, and the options is also given 2-3 part, one part, second part. So that's why we'll go that way. So it is sin x divided by sin x minus a integration dx, which is equal to, they have given something of ax plus b log sin x minus a plus c. So what we will do, we will take x minus a is equal to t. So dx equal to dt. So it will be dt, and instead of x, what we will write, a plus t, and it is divided by sin t. So it will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by sin t dt. So it will be sin a, cos by sin is cot, and sin t it is integration of cos a dt. So you can say it will be x into cos a. Cos a is constant, and it is only a dt, so it is x into cos a into t plus it will be sin a, and integration of cot is log sin plus c. So you put the values of t, so it will be cos a into sin x minus a, and then sin a into log sin x minus a plus c. T is equal to x minus a. So you can write it x into cos a. I am taking in this format. So the coefficient of x is cos a. So you can directly write a equal to cos a. No need to write. From here only you can answer. The coefficient of x will be cos a. This minus a into cos a will go to the constant. And then b log sin a. So b log sin x minus a. So obviously b is equal to sin a. So that is your answer. That is option B. Next, if you come to question number 3, what they are asking here, log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x square whole to the power square dx equal to. If you take log x equal to t, that means x is equal to e to the power t you are taking. So dx equal to e to the power t dt. So if you place it this way, it will be look like t minus 1 whole square divided by 1 plus t square whole square, and dx equal to e to the power t dt. So it will be t square plus 1 minus 2t divided by t square plus 1 whole square e to the power t dt. So it would be, if you take e to the power t common, then this by this will be 1 by t square plus 1, and this will be minus 2t by t square plus 1. Now if you think this is a function f, what is the differentiation of this one? Now because e is there is always a temptation, e to the power x into fx minus f dash x. So if you take 1 by t square plus 1 is your ft. So what will be differentiation of this one, f dash t? 1 by x differentiation is 1 by minus 1 by x square, so t square plus 1 whole square, and then again you will differentiate this one, t square is 2t. So you can see that this becomes your f dash t. If you take this is ft, then this is your f dash t. So e to the power t into ft minus f dash t. What is the integration? It is answer is e to the power t into ft dt. Plus c. So e to the power t into what is your ft? You have taken this one, so 1 by t square plus 1 plus c. So e to the power t is your x, so divided by t square is log x square plus 1 plus c. So this is your answer. That is your option B. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.